So, welcome friends. I am Aditya Deshmukh. I am a BCA final student. You know, and pursuing the data analyst course and trying to improve my communication skill. So, last 10 to 11 video, I explain in front of camera. No any practical video or no any laptop screen. I will share. You cannot understand what can I say, what can I share my knowledge. So I am trying to get my laptop screen. Last video I created on what is filter on Power BI, so you can easily understand what me can say to you. So I can created this channel for only for in English communication, speak English fluently for interview purpose or in the job areas like a data analyst and to control the all the international clients. So in the last 10 video I explained the topic in front of camera. So I did not know about how to connect the mobile to laptop and share video to mobile. I watched to share in Bluetooth or share in I are trying to share in WhatsApp and trying to use mobile cable charger cable, but I did not know how to share. But this video I will share how the experience of my learning the Power BI and creating video on laptop screen and other purpose. But this video I not give any knowledge. I just created for experience of my 10 video. My plan of upcoming video, I will try to give some interview question, some important notes of Power BI, some important function and important content of Excel as well as SQL and Python. So stay connected to this channel, subscribe, like and share this channel. I'm trying to get aptitude questions, logical reasoning, and as well as the job related what study material I need. So I created this channel for one thing. I get the job of how many package. No package matter, but just get job of better company and I I just try to hit the job and just enter the industry. So friends, you can senior data analyst or any job interest job in a data analyst or IT industry. So you can share our knowledge or any particular tips or tricks on me, so I can try it and get better and better day by day. So I'm trying to get the knowledge of what what my job required and what interview required. So I'm trying to get all of the study material needed to job interview in this channel. So friends, sometime I'm doing depressed about my job and this aptitude test and this logical reasoning and this communication skill about and how face interview, how to knowledge about these tools. So friends, I'm trying to get what I can do in the inside the camera, outside the camera, and you can join me and join this journey for to become get some knowledge and some enjoyment. So thank you for watching. I'm trying to get more video about practical knowledge of Power BI and other knowledge of data analytics. So thank you for watching.